So now sheet metal cladding, a next and very popular, very important topic. So we try to divide for understanding top hung panel support, bottom support. Then again there are the subtypes, that is how corner units, how under window system, how parapet level system with the different material, that is GRC, that is glass reinforced concrete system, reinforced panel system, stud form, tiles, and the mosaic system in modular fashion. This sheet metal cladding is very popular in the construction in our region is uh, warehouses, big sheds, maybe some railway stations, bus stands. So those are the technical details which we are expecting that you should go through the books and read each and every detail. What is sheet metal cladding and how it is arranged. Some of the things I'm able to incorporate for this presentation. That is how this sheet metal is arranged in elevation and how it is attached with the level by level. Sometimes these sheets are available in a sandwich material, that is sheet is sandwiched with the other lining material which is actually weatherproof, which is stable material, and again internal sheets are also available there. So the sheet which is external, which is on external side, is actually a very sturdy, very heavy, and very weatherproof material. Along with this inner liner material, and interior part may be coated with the internal finish or maybe sometimes sheets. So type by type, material by material, this is the example for single skin system made up of aluminum, and some is precasted sheet metal system. In fact, if you saw our railway, that is also a sheet metal box. That bogie is made up of sheet metal. Number of windows are there, number of doors are there. So this way the modular system is getting created, and that much of quantity of railway bogies are available. So technology is same. So it will be differ by material, it will be differ by construction techniques. So if it is GRC, some construction techniques are different. If it is a stud form, construction techniques are different. If it is a parapet, if it is a top hung system, then construction system are different. In our region, you may saw this kind of warehouse structure, godown structures are there, but some in very few number of projects are available, which is a residential project, and those are made up in sheet metal. Yes, the number is less, but that is also very appreciating creation, architectural creation with the help of sheet metal, and it is actually a very fast construction, very fast erection available. Most of the time, the covered terraces, the extension of the project, and the outhouses are created with this sheet metal. But you can create very good primary activity, good comfortable occupant space with the help of sheet metal can be possible. I suggest you to go through the topic of this sheet metal and glaze wall system, because too many integrated things are available and too many integrated things to be learned for understanding of this course is very necessary. For introduction purpose, you can shuffle things which is available with us, and for detailed understanding, for the exam point of view, you need to read this topic. You can access this library so, or maybe some online PDFs are also available with the topic. You can go through that. Now the next topic, that is glaze wall system. So, things incorporated in a glaze wall system is the curtain walling, standard glazing, stick system, unitized system, suspended frameless glass system, glass fin support, and the frame support. So this topic is not only the important topic in terms of academic purpose. This is the most adequate, most accepted system and most popular in a contemporary system. Previously, greenhouse effect, heating effect, all those things are really very big problem with this glass fin structure. But nowadays the technology, double walling system, UV glass system, and the number of things which is invented, number of things which is revised. This system is again very popular and very effective in terms of construction. uh, Due to different types, due to different ways, how this exterior look should be, how the system, if you are able to look at this system. So in this system, whole facade will be the glaze facade. Now look at this system. Now this is the uh, uh, DGU, that is doubly glass UV light system, doubly glass unit with UV rays protection films and all those things. So interior space and the exterior space, the sunlight gaining is protected with the help of this technology. How it is arranged with these aluminum panel members, how stud forms, horizontal members, how this frame, this total frame is attached with the existing structure, how it is connected with the beam, how it is connected with the slab, how it is connected with the column. It is totally depend upon the which actual system you are going to implement on the building. So next, there are lot many structures which is constructed in this type of system. This fitting typology, it is also called as a spider frame. It is also called as a curtain wall with the lattice frames. There are a number of type of lattice curtain frames for a suspended glazing. So this kind of tie structure, you can say it is a truss to withstand the load of this dead load of this curtain wall, or it should be stabilized with the top of the roof up to the bottom. This different lattice frame made up of aluminum metal member, number of joinery members. In fact, it is very beautiful, very attractive in look, that cable suspension structures are created, and this complete glaze wall is actually act as a curtain. So that's why it's called as curtain wall too. Now, if we are not able to provide that much of space, which this type of lattice, this type of girder is going to take. So we are able to construct this vertical pin support in other way around, that is from the outside of the building. So this kind of pin support can be created. So this fin support is actually at the joint where the vertical fin is connected, and this fin is connected to the other fin member. It may be in the gaps, it may be in the alternate system, or it may be the continuous connection between different panels and the sides. You can create a collage of number of colors. You can create a different patterns, labels with the help of this all system. This is one excellent example which is at Pune, that is Panchashil Business Park, which is situated in Palewadi. So this structure is completely constructed in this vertical fin system. In fact, the number of buildings around this area are constructed in this type of lattice girdle system. Some buildings are constructed in this type of square grid system. And yes, how to create a structure externally with the frameless glass, how this stick system, this vertical support, this horizontal support, this vertical support will be the part of the elevation, and this is all depend upon the creativity. This is all depend upon the output you are seeking for. So this is for glazing and glazing wall system. So anything else you want to know about, you can contact me. Now we are taking one single assignment on the topic. So at the end of this recording, we are going to arrange that assignment tab, in which what you are going to do is you have to collate all the heads with handwritten assignments. So that content will be what you are going to read, what you are going to write, and the what type of sketches to be incorporated. So it is well defined in assignment. You just go through the assignment and do needful accordingly. This assignment will be your attendance too, and that assignment submission is your assessment also. So, thank you.